Hello guys, welcome to my channel Why Succeed, and this is luckyxman here today again to teach you about Premiere Pro 2020. And today I'm going to teach you about color grading. Right, stay with me and I'm going to show you nice and cool trick how to color grade your video within a few clicks and doesn't take that long. So you're going to save a lot of time guys. Before I start anything, I'm going to show you the intro and I'm going to come back. Well, alright, welcome back guys again with luckyxman, and this is my channel Why Succeed. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss any videos from my channel guys. It's gonna be fantastic videos coming up and you're gonna love it. Alright, before I tell you anything, this is a video I picked up. This is the video from the last tutorial, and I'm going to use the same video to show you very nice and cool trick. Alright, so most of us spend a lot of time color grading and color correcting. Alright, there's a difference between color grading and color correcting. Right, I'm going to tell you the difference between it, but before that I'm going to show you one trick quickly, then you tell me if you like it or not. Alright, this is a video before doing any color correction. All right, I haven't done any work on it. This is a video with no work whatsoever. This is a wedding video I've shot myself guys with no color correction, and this is the same video after color correction. All right, I'm gonna show you. All right, go here. Might look better with the big. All right, see, 75. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Let's do this. All right, sorry about that guys. Now tell me the difference. This is a video I've done a color correction, color grading within a minute. All right guys, within a minute. All right, before a few weeks I used to spend a lot of time color grading and color correcting, and I used to spend a lot of time, I wasted my time. I know, right? Most of you guys also wasted a lot of time, and it's still, wanted to know how do I do it, how to color grade my video so quick and easy, so I don't have to spend a lot of time, and you only spend most of your time making a video, not color correcting it. All right, so let's do this without doing any delays guys. So I'm going to show you this video again. All right, this is a video with color correction and color grading. This is a video with no color grading whatsoever. All right, let's do this. Just simply, when you're in Premiere Pro, you're right here, editing mode. That's it. All right, don't worry, you're in editing mode. Okay, so what you have to do is go to color. All right, easy, very easy. Go to color, and what I have to do is basic. Click on the basic correction and choose this temperature. All right, if you want to make it very warm, that's up to you guys. Whatever you like. It's up. Depends on the day you shot the video or at time of the video. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. If you want to make it more cooler, go like this. If you're gonna go more warmer, go like this. But I'm gonna go right here, just the way it is, and I'm gonna choose a bit of white. It's too bright, and I'm gonna make it black, more smoother black. It's already looking a lot better than before guys. I can tell, looking already better. Now this is the trick. Go creative. All right, so you can play with this button if you like. All right, this is for pro editor. If you are a pro editor, pro color grader, then you can use this function if you like. But Premiere Pro already provide a lot of option for you. It's already been done. Okay, there's lots of options guys you can choose. All right, I'm gonna show you the option I like most, and there is a one by Adobe 3510. If you click that, that's gonna give you nice color grade, automatic. That's it, done. That you don't have to do anything. If you like this color, that's it. Or if you can tweak, intensity, anything you like, you can change right here. You can tweak here and there, then that's it, that's all done. All right, if you want to choose, I like the most this one as well, SL big SDR, and I like SL clean Fuji B. All right, this is the one I like most. Check guys, look at this, look at this, look at the difference. Okay, look at the difference. This gonna save your time so much. It's gonna save your time. I'm gonna check with an SL big DR. Okay, so what happens is, go here, choose your color grading. You know, what I have to do at the first, you have to find out what's the best option for you to apply. You know, I can't tell you which one is best for your video, but the thing is, you know, play with it. Just try clicking different option. You know, try just a random click, choose any, doesn't matter, it might look good on your video. All right, so what I choose, what I mostly do is I go SL big DR, and I go with Adobe 3510 depending on my day and the video, but mostly I go with this, and that's it. My color grading done. Nothing has to be done now. This is finished. All right, this is like within a minute you could do it. All right guys, thanks. I've done a lot of talking guys. I don't need to do more talking, and I'm gonna bring up more videos about this cool trick about the Premiere Pro guys. Stay with me. All right, wherever you are, doesn't matter, stay home, stay safe, and I'm gonna be bringing more videos about Premiere Pro 2020, about cool tricks, about how to edit a video and how to make a video look cool. Okay, more fantastic stuff is coming, so keep tuning, stay with me, and be safe. All right, thank you guys, bye bye, see you again.